Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a very quick haul from Dollar Tree and also Hobby Lobby. Before I begin, my name is Sandy. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning family member, I'm so glad that you stopped back by, and I hope that you're having a very, very happy holiday season. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start off with my Dollar Tree haul. I just picked up this gift box that I thought was really cute, and it's got the truck and the tree on there. So I just thought this was a cute little gift box. And then I got my gift bags, which I think everybody probably gets their gift bags and things from Dollar Tree because you get nice bags and for $1. I also picked up this trio box of gift boxes as well. So those are from the Dollar Tree. Now this is something that I'm trying, and this is a cable organizer. I don't know about you, but my cords, like phone chargers and things like that, are just in disarray. So I picked up a couple of these, and it just kind of wraps around here. So I'm gonna see how they work out, but they're good for your earphones too. So I'm gonna see how it works out, and if it works out, I'll probably go get more because I've got a ton of cords around here for different things. I picked up these toothbrush covers, and they say that they are antibacterial toothbrush covers. So it's 4 in a pack for $1. Thought that was a great deal. I got these dish towels, and they've got the scrubber on the back. But I thought I would give them a try. They look really nice, and since I'm accessorizing with red for the season, why not, right? And then my faithfuls here are these microfiber towels. I love these for dusting and cleaning and things like that. And for some reason, they keep changing these out. Like they used to be blue. Then you couldn't find the blue ones for a long time. They had these white ones that I didn't like as well, but then now they've got these. So I'm giving these a try, and hopefully they'll work out like the blue ones did. But you basically get 2 microfiber towels in here. So I got a couple of them just because I've been having a hard time lately finding them, and I use these all the time. I also found this little small disinfectant spray, and I love the size of it because it's good for on the go, and that's what I wanted them for. And it says it kills flu virus, and it says kills 99.9% of germs. It's Home Bright is the brand, but I thought it was a good size, and I would use that like in my car to take with me. You just never know when you might need those. And with the same thought in mind, I picked up these also, and these are the Purell wipes. There's 10 of them in here, and they kill 99%. So I picked up several of these. I have had family traveling in and out, and so I always give them a pack of these to take back with them if they're traveling by plane, to clean their seats and clean everything that they touch. So these are really good. They're lightweight. They can get through security, fit in your purse. So these are perfect. So I love those for that purpose. And I have been buying them at Target, so I'm glad to see that they had them at the Dollar Tree. Then I picked up this pack of toothbrushes, and this again is just for guests that come that may have forgotten their toothbrush. So there's like 6 of them in here. I think it's 6, yeah. For $1, and they're the soft bristles, so be good, especially for kids or whatever if they forget their toothbrush. Then I picked up this face brush here, and this is runs by battery. It's by Sassy and Chic, and you know, I'm going to give it a try and see how it compares to Clarisonic. I broke my Clarisonic, oh my god, probably like 2 years ago, and I absolutely loved it. I never replaced it because they're so expensive, and then the replacement brushes are so expensive. So I ended up buying this other face brush that I got that was supposed to be comparable to Clarisonic, and it's good, but it ain't Clarisonic. But anyway, I thought I'd give this a try. I'm sure it's not going to be comparable to Clarisonic, but you know, it might be do okay. And then I really like the size of it because, you know, it's good for on the go if you're traveling and things like that too. So for $1, you can't lose. So I'll give that a try. And then this is my other cable cord that I mentioned. I got 2 of those to try. And then this little decorative box. I was trying to find one that wasn't too Christmassy because my plan is to use this to store some organization. It might go in my junk drawer for something, you know, but just to organize something. I don't know what, maybe batteries or something. So I was trying to find one that wasn't Christmassy because I plan on using this year round, but this is the closest that I could come. These are snowflakes. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. Now let me hop on over to Hobby Lobby. All right, so for Hobby Lobby, they're having 66% off Christmas already, and I tell you, they're already starting to empty out. But I did want to get a couple of ornaments. This one is it's actually glass, and it's not, you know, what I really wanted to get. I'm getting ornaments for my grandkids' trees for next year. Now, Boy will be 2.5 by then, so definitely not at the glass stage of having the ornaments, but I just thought this was too cute. And it was 66% off, so I picked it up. It is a helicopter, and I just really thought it was cute. So I got that for him. This is really the type of ornaments I need to be buying for him. This is made of felt, and that's a little train, but they only had one, so I did pick that up. And I'll see what the prices are. So this one was regular price $2.99, and then it was 66% off. This one, because it's glass, is $10, and then it was 66% off. Then I picked up for the girl. I call him Boy, Reagan. I got her this little carriage. Reagan is all about the princesses and ballerinas and things like that, and she loves pink. So I saw this little ornament, and it's like a carriage with this little feather on. I just thought that was super cute, and I know she will too. And then this little purse here that says I love ballet. Now this one was regularly $9.90. Is that $9.99? Yeah, $9.99, and then 66% off. And this one was the same. So just thought these were cute for Reagan's tree for next year. And then I picked her up some garland. So Cole is down one ornament. I still have to go get him some more for his tree, but that's what I found. And then I also found these ballet slippers for Reagan's tree, and these were also, no, these were only $2.99, so that's cute, and then 66% off. And then I picked up this coaster with my initial. My name is Cassandra. For those of you that don't know, I go by Sandy here on YouTube. But my name is Cassandra. So I got a C for my first name. And this was not on sale. It was $5.99. But of course, at Hobby Lobby, you can always get the Retail Me Not coupon for 40% off regular price. So it ended up being like $3 and something for this. But I thought it was cute. And this is going to go on my nightstand, because I bring drinks in at night, a water bottle, what have you, in, and I need a coaster on my nightstand. And I'll see if you can see that. I just set that there. I want to redo my room for 2021. That's my dream. So I want to incorporate some goals. So this was my first manifestation of my goal that I'm starting to incorporate in my room, is this coaster. So we'll see as the year goes on next year how I come with the room. It's going to be a slow process. I'm going to be doing a lot of thrifting and things like that, but I'm just kind of ready for a little bit of a change. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can see how it comes together. All right, the last thing I picked up from Hobby Lobby are these two trees. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these, because as I got them home, they look more royal blue. You know, I have a navy blue bedroom, and when I change my room, I'm probably going to keep it navy, because I love navy. But they kind of look royal blue, but then they also kind of look purple. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them. But there's some really nice like felt type trees. You can see the detailing on them. They're gorgeous trees. And they were regularly $29.99 and with 66% off of that. So yeah, I got these, and I thought that I would just put one on each of the nightstands if I keep them. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Should I keep it? That's how it looks. I don't know. Anyway, but I got them because if I decided later and went back, it won't be there. So that's it. I'm not going to start rambling here. That is all I have for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye.